Guess the flavor.
Ugh. Here, take it. Get away from me.
Flavor.
What?
Zany. Aiden, just eat. No peeking. These are low sodium and 150 calories.
Why not 6? Snickers.
This is rough. Chew it, Zane. Is it that hard to tell? I thought this would be easy. Zane, no peeky poos.
Six. Yeah! I get to go again.
Very good. These so for real.
Snickers. What? We only have 3. Zane has one of them in his hand. Isn't there an Oreo? Yeah, there's like an Oreo. Okay. It's peanut butter. PBJ.
Only one guess. So zany. Zane. 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 Ding, 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 ding.
Ah!
Very good.
He finally got one. Why Mika got one?
Zane.
That's my technique. And can I get a drum roll? Reese's Pieces! What the heck?
Okay, Zane.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
You got this.
Okay. Okay. PB&J.
Ding, 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 ding. Hey, there's one more left.
It's about to be right. Watch. Watch me cook. Snickers.
Ding, 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 ding.
I just earned some aura right there, gang.
Pick your favorite in 3, 2, 1. All of them? Zane, you was spitting them out. Oreo. Okay, I think I'm gonna like the Snicker one the best.
Smells it. Good smell, isn't it? It's really good, isn't it?
Smell
yeah.
mine.
No one wants to
Good.
smell yours.